Hello everyone, my name is David Uchenna Umigwe with student number 160057790, and today and we are the group member 25. Me and my group today are going to be discussing about lean production in global service organization, a case study on Capital PLC. Below are the names of my group members and student IDs, and here we have the table of contents. I'm going to be passing this now to my colleague to take over from here.
Hello everyone, this is Meghna Bangaram and my student ID is 157253990, and I'm explaining about the lean flow introduction. A service something is that can business offers to meet customer needs but they can't touch it, like education, banking, transportation or hospitality. Unlike product, service or intangible, you can experience them. Services can play a key role in everyday life and in a global economy. Example, when you can use Netflix, you're using a service, not a product. And can we move to the next slide, please? Yeah. History of service of lean production. Service has been around the thousands of years. Even in ancient time, people traded their knowledge, transportation, and healthcare. In the past, most of the people worked in agriculture or industry, but over the time, the service sector started growing. After the industry revolution, more people moved to the cities. They needed more schools, banks, shops, etc. And that's when the service started booming. Now, in the modern economy, 70 to 80% of the jobs are in the service industry. For example, IT support, online shopping, mobile apps are the part of today's service evaluation. Can we move to the next slide, please? Globalization in service. Globalization means the world is more connected, and this is also a changed how the service work. The internet, fast communication, and travel companies now we can offer service across the countries. Example, you might call a customer in India for the product bought in the UK. Companies like Uber, Amazon, Airbnb operates many countries offering the same various worldwide. Outcoming is also a common. Many companies hire service from the other countries to save the cost and improve the quality. So I'm passing the next slide to my colleague.
Hello guys, this is Manpreet Kaur and my student ID is 160199937 and we choose company CAPITA PLC for our presentation. So here's a company overview. The CAPITA company provides services to a vast number of clients including both public and private sectors. And currently this company working or operate in 8 countries with major locations in UK, Europe, India and South Africa, and the company has approximately 34,000 workers around the world, according to the Capita research, which is posted on 2023. And the company has reported 2.6 billion of revenues in the financial year in 2023, and it continued change aims at achieving 2026 efficiency and lean projects and saving a cost of 60 billion pounds by 2026. Next slide, please. So here's a SWOT analysis of Capita PLC. As we know, S stands for strength. So they have major four strengths, which are well-established brand both in UK and in international market, and wide range of services portfolio like human resource, IT, and customer support. And it has ongoing digital and lean change efforts and strategic partnerships between the private and public sectors. Moving to the weakness, they have four weaknesses, which are the major. And the first one is the pressure of cost and dependence on government contracts. And the next one is global decentralized teams and operational complexity. Non core unit with the low level of lean maturity and heavy reliance on a technological infrastructure. Moving to the opportunity, and they have four major opportunities, which are increase in demand for outsourced digital services, and innovation is being escalated by ESG and net zero targets, which is reported by Capita in 2025. And the next one is introducing new services vertical of lean adoption. BPO expansion is emerging markets, and the threats are competing between global BPO and consulting firms, and they have the hurdles of standardization in global services due to culture, culture variation, and increase in the cost of updating technology and providing skills and the skill development, and the constraint on process innovation over the course of SLA. Moving to the next slide. So, lean in capita service model. So, here's a whole model that defines the value stream mapping, and it has major five steps, which are: Capita uses Lean to automate the bulk services such as payroll and customer service. And the second process shows the tools that were applied in the value stream mapping. And another one is the DMAIC and the Gambra works. Third process shows it minimizes rework, turnaround time, and delays in services. The fourth point defines Lean Six Sigma is used to enhance data driven and decision making, which is posted by Reddy in 2023. And it also defines that to get the employees involved in continuous improvement, Kaizen events are also applied. Next slide, please. And I am moving the slides to my colleague.
Hello, this is Manpreet, and my student ID is 15903286. And these slides include with environmental impact of lean at Capita. Simply, the lean focuses on minimizing the waste and increasing the work efficiency. Apart from this, environmental impact of lean practices can be both positive or negative, depends on how lean is implemented and maintained. Positive impact shows in capita as reduction of waste, improved resources, efficiency, recycling, and reuse of painting, paper painting, and storage, physical storage in an organization internal process. Additionally, lean process decrease the work time, energy spent, and unproductiveness. Digital tools have a positive impact on the sustainability objective of capita since they are used to maximize the resources use. Nevertheless, data centers are responsible for 2 to 3% of the world's energy consumption. Moving to the next slide, please. Next slide is on globalization impact on lean at capita. Globalization and lean manufacturing are two interlinked phenomena that have significant impact on each other, and lean principle originally developed to eliminate the waste and optimize the efficiency are both influence each other by the adapt to the challenges and opportunity of the globalized marketplace. Due to the culture differences, lean interpretation may be different, and hybrid lean model required in adapting to different countries. Moving to the further slide. Moving further to the next slide shows about the benefits of lean at capita. Lean is methodology focuses on maximizing the value by eliminating the waste and improving the process as it improves resources efficiency. It could be material, time, resources, human resources, and others. And in capita, it helps to improve the average handling time to 18 hours and able to enhance the services quality, reducing the cost and has contributing to saving the operational cost by 20 to 30% and focuses on value from the customer perspective. Moving further, now I'm passing this slide to my colleague.
Hello everyone, my name is David Uchenna Umingwe, student number 16005790, and I'll be talking about the best strategies for lean implementation. Um, to begin with services subject to high volume, such as HR and customer support to pilot the rollout of that service. HR and customer service activities also constitute a large percentage of the services offered by Capital, and this forms the basis for why it would be ideal when it comes to piloting of the use of lean implementation. Utilize casing and value stream mapping to streamline work process, reported by Rules 2022. Build internal lean champions and conduct team-based improvement sessions. Combine lean and RPA with analytic dashboards. Bring lean and ESG and business KPIs together through the balanced scorecard. And next slide, we'll be talking about the challenges of lean implementation at Capital. One of the challenges of lean is resistance by employees who are afraid of change or lost their jobs. Second one is waste in invisible throughout service processes, making it hard to improve. Another one is the global teams. The global teams have misconceptions between cultures, which inhibits congruence. Another one, expensive training, technological upgradation, as well as lack of lean experts, which was reported by Graphics 2024. And also, client-specific SLAs can be reluctant to standardize change in the process. So we look at the mitigation strategies for lean implementation challenges. One of them, use the 8-step change model, as you can see on the model, by Qatar to engage and own staff members. With the help of process mining tools and SMEs workshop, identify inefficiencies, customize the training with the help of the hosted cultural approach, which was reported by Sokonimi in 2023. Then demonstrate advantage and get by running trials runs at low cost. Engage clients in process redesign to make it compatible with SLA. Also, we're going to look at this strategic fit with global operations. And one of them is Lean helps Capital in its worldwide online managed services. Lean enhances uniformity and flexibility in regions, which was reported by Singe in 2023. The digital Lean solution improve cross-border visibility and performance. Lean aligns with ESG, quality and efficiency, which are the priorities of Capital. Lean makes it stronger, considering the competitive advantage in the long run via the VRO framework. So, in conclusion, we will say Lean can fit in any global service organization such as Capital. Globalization helps in executing Lean and makes it complex. On environmental effects, it is contradictory, efficient versus energy consumption. When understood with a proper plan and mitigation, Lean leads to sustainable growth. And future-ready Lean needs to be tech-enabled, data-driven, and people-focused. And below are the references from our research. Thank you. And here you can find the reflective model for David with student number 16005790. Also, the reflective model for Manpreet with student number 15903286. And the reflective model for Megnan with student number 157-25390, and the student number for Simran Print with student number 160-19930. Thank you.